Hey, so I decided I should test out this new camera out in the wild. And what better way to do that than to take my mom to a dinosaur park? Yes, my town has a dinosaur park. It is called Field Station Dinosaurs. So I loaded up the ZV-E10 into my Sony lightweight system case for alpha cameras. I started my shoot with the Sigma 16mm F1.4, which I'm using right now. Billed as a contemporary wide-angle lens, it offers no onboard stabilization system, and seeing as how the ZV-E10 doesn't have IBIS, it kind of means that you're rolling your dice a little if you want to go point and shoot with this. So if you really want to get a clear shot, maybe you're better off setting a timer, which I didn't. Then halfway through the walk, I switched to the Sony 50mm F1.8 OSS. That is Sony's stabilization system in the lens, which works in concert with a modern camera such as this to give you a little bit of stabilization with a slight crop. This, though being a prime lens, does put you a little closer to the action, especially those super fast moving dinosaur articulated statues. Then, of course, when one goes to a dino park, you have to play some putt-putt, am I right? Which my mom totally schooled me at. Yeah, it was a surprise to me too, believe me. I thought I was going to at least hit one hole-in-one, but no, she did. Once I got home, I fired up Luminar Neo. Now look, I'm not sponsored in the slightest. They have no idea that I actually bought a license to this, I'm sure. If you're unfamiliar, Luminar Neo is something of an Adobe Lightroom competitor that makes use of AI. So you have all the usual features, you can set some presets, you can adjust brightness, exposure, etc. But you can also use AI to swap out unwanted modern inconveniences in your photograph of your dinosaurs. Yeah, let's get rid of some fencing, this rope over here, and oh, look at that. Now, I'm not saying this is impossible to pull off in Photoshop, but it is nice doing it with just a few clicks. Now, though I bought a lifetime license for Luminar Neo, all the cool features are really hidden behind the AI, which requires a monthly subscription. So that would be the generative swap, sharpening effects, as well as structure. Ultimately, you're not truly getting all the software, but at least unlike everything that Adobe has, you are able to buy something outright. And if you like to buy any of this stuff, the camera, the lenses, all that, the bag, hey, I'm going to have links below in my Amazon shop, and if you want Luminar Neo, I've got some kind of discount code to give you that I think will kick some bucks off for you, so yeah, go ahead and do that. Or at least leave a like, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, comment below if you found any of this helpful.